Unlock next-level precision with the Z-Image Turbo. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the GGUF version in ComfyUI and, most importantly, how to master ControlNet to get the exact results you want fast. Let's dive in. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then, clone the extension. Then, we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. I will upload the input image. I will use the built-in prompt in the workflow. The results are very nice and realistic, even though we only use the GGUF version. I will try another photo. The results are very nice. The ControlNet function works very well. We can use many ControlNet functions. I will try DW preprocessor. Now you have the power of Z-Image combined with the precision of ControlNet right in your ComfyUI workflow. Don't forget to subscribe for more advanced AI tutorials. See you in the next one.